Please introduce yourself.
My name is Jishnu Jaikumar. I am a BTech IT third year student of Triple IT Vadodara,
Okay,
and I like playing trumpet. That's it.
that's great. So, playing drum beat and mathematics.
Hmm.
What is the connection?
See, before answering that question, I would like to tell you a story.
Sure, would love to.
I would like to say something about my memories regarding my childhood. Uh, mm, when from standard 1 till ninth, uh, uh, I was not very comfortable with maths. And my faculties were not, no, I would not say that they were not good, but they were not able to answer my questions that were of my curiosity. So I gradually developed a phobia of maths. And fortunately, like Dr. Das, I had a faculty from standard 10 to 12. I don't know what he did, magic or what, but I gradually developed interest in maths and I was so comfortable in maths that I pursued the career of an engineer.
Right.
So I would say that maths is a very wonderful thing. Like this workshop, in this workshop, Dr. Das said that if we visualize everything, it would be very simple. I would say that I like maths, I like trumpet very much. They are being connected, like it gives me energy.
Right. That is what I wanted to
Hmm.
know. So, basically, this mathematics is also a beat in your drum beat.
Yes.
Right. So, before doing this workshop, what was your view towards this workshop? With what image did you come for this workshop?
See, Dr. Banerjee is our faculty. He has been teaching us since last 1 year, and this semester also he is teaching us. So we are very we are a fan of him.
Right.
He is teaching in a very brilliant way. Whatever he teaches, we grasp it very easily. So when a guy like that tells that you should attend a workshop and it will be very useful in your life, so we also thought that it will be helpful. And besides that, I had a few queries regarding some concepts which were included in the schedule of the workshop. So I was interested in that.
So basically, before coming for the workshop, you had the schedule in your hand, and seeing that schedule, you were like, okay, these are the queries that I already had. to choose
Ha,
from,
yes.
And I guess these queries will be solved.
Yes.
So did it get answered?
Yes, definitely.
It has got answered.
Mm.
So with the answer,
Hmm.
with the queries being solved,
Hmm.
what new horizon do you look for?
Basically, I would like to say in a technical
Yeah,
way.
sure.
See, this world is a 3D world.
Right.
So many of the problems in mathematics is regarding n dimension. So up to 2D, 3D, it's okay. We can visualize everything. But I found it very difficult to how to tackle n dimensions from fourth to n dimensions. So what to do in that? So I came here. He explained in a very brilliant way. Now I am comfortable in visualizing everything. And as a matter of fact, I used to think that linear algebra was basically related to matrix only, and calculus was some other way. Now he told that both of them are a different way, but the final destination is the same.
Okay.
Anything can be tackled using this. It's your way of choice, whatever it is. And now, not only in mathematics, in physics also, there are equations and that many more things. I find it now easy, and I was finding it physics very hard before coming to this workshop.
Oh.
I would say that it not only improved my mathematics concepts, but also it took away some fear of physics as well.
See, any science,
Hmm.
the base is mathematics,
Hmm.
right? So, if your mathematics is clear,
Hmm.
definitely that will help in the other streams of
Yes.
science also.
Yes.
So, you mean to say this workshop was a dual beneficial thing for you?
Yes.
Not only mathematics but also physics, which got clear?
Yes.
Right. So, what do you wish to do with these new tools?
I would like to explore some things, uh, which real life things. See, like we are getting projects in every semester. So rather than doing the projects which were done by other students of other universities and looking at them and doing the same project by ourselves, I would like to do some new projects, seeing at the real life problems and analyzing the system, and using the concepts learned in this workshop and some concepts which were my base before coming to this workshop, and do some real life problem solving projects. I would definitely use it, and I'm very happy.
Can you give some example? What kind of, I mean, attending this workshop, definitely, as you said, you were able to correlate with the real life things, right? So, any particular thing which immediately clicked you, okay, alright, this thing can be implied in this particular aspect, something like that? If you can give an example.
There is not any particular thing right now, but no, right now
Right now you are.
or I'm not remembering it.
Regard.
See, like before coming to this workshop, no, I'm not coming to this workshop. In day-to-day life, what happens is that when we have leisure time, we think of many things. So we think that we can do that thing. I had a practice of writing it in my diary, but lately what happened, I was not getting time. So the diary is somewhere else. I don't know where it is. It got lost, and I'm now not writing in. I have not that writing practice now, so I don't remember anything right now.
But now you are missing that diary.
Yes.
If that diary would have been there, you would have been able to start giving a thought process to
Yes,
all
yes,
the
yes.
query, all the difficulties that you have written down in it.
Yeah, I remember one thing from my diary. It was like a childish thing.
Yeah.
See, we are nowadays in a electronics age, so robots are very common. So I used to link them with our body. Like we have flesh, they have metal body, we have nerves, they have wires. So I used to write, we have nerves, they have wires. So
Wires.
how they can be related, and
Right.
can we produce a mixture of a human body and a robot? I was thinking like that. So
So, do you think that this workshop will be anyway connected or
Yeah, definitely,
helpful?
definitely,
It will be helpful that way. What else would you like to add?
I would like to say that even if anybody has enough knowledge about maths or concepts are strong, they should attend workshops like this, because there are small gaps which are left behind, and if they are covered up in this coming to this workshop or going to anywhere else, to a faculty or any teacher, it would be very helpful in the future, because these small gaps in later time causes greater difficulty.
So, did it happen anywhere during these 3 days that you were carrying some image about a particular concept, and suddenly you found that it had a completely different approach, or it was completely different than what you were thinking about it till now?
Yes. I told you regarding the ND stuff, no?
Right.
That I was thinking it in another. I was rather traveling in another way to reach that concept. But see, this is a way straight line. I was traveling like this. Not even this. I was traveling that way and trying to coming this way.
This way.
But sir taught us to travel this way.
He gave you a direction.
Yes, and it
To
was
your thought
shortest-
processing.
Yes, it was of short distance as well.
Right.
Yes.
So, what is the summary of this workshop for you?
Yeah, people should attend it. Even if they have the knowledge of the concept and it is being taught here, they should attend it, because maybe they are taught that concept somewhere else, and some concepts are not like they are not being taught. Like they would
There are some
forget it.
ambiguity in it.
Yes, they will forget it.
Right.
They will forget it. There is an ambiguity, and there is a problem in visualizing or remembering it. It can be solved very easily.
This workshop will
Yes,
clear
yes,
all
yes,
that.
definitely.
Thanks a lot for your feedback.
Okay, thank you.
That was really
Thank
great.
you.